Hey guys, so today I'm going to be making a mini tree out of these leaves that I found in my neighborhood. I think they're maple leaves, but yeah, I found some like small ones. And then I also found one big stick and then 3 smaller sticks, and I dried all of this overnight. And then I'm just going to hot glue the small sticks onto the big stick. So yeah, I'll just take the big one, and then I'm gonna put the small ones like on mostly all sides of it, just to make it look like a bare tree, and then I'll add the leaves on later. So now I'm gonna pick out what leaves I want. I kind of have the base of the tree figured out. I don't know if you can see that very well, but yeah. And so on all these little, there's like a bunch of little like bridge things like that. I'm just gonna count all of those, and then I'll count out that many good leaves. I might not put all of them on there because like I'm kind of making it so that it's like fall and stuff, so like not all the leaves are gonna be on the tree. So yeah, now I gotta count those. So I counted right around 48. So I'm just gonna do like half of that. So I'll do like 24. I don't know if I have that many in here, but I'm gonna try to find some good ones. Like that one's pretty good. And then after that, I'm gonna cover them like with Mod Podge so that they don't like break as easily. And now I gotta pick out 24 good ones. Yay! I have all of these, and now I'll put Mod Podge on all of them. Okay, so I did a few, and then I realized I don't know if this is actually gonna work. So I'm gonna let these ones sit, and then I'll check on them later. And if it does work, then I'll do it with the rest of them. Otherwise, I'll have to find another option. So, yeah. Okay, so the leaves are still drying. So I'm planning on making a base for the rest of our tree. I wanna use clay. So I have this brown, and then I also have another stick of brown. And then I'm gonna roll it kind of into a ball, sort of, maybe, if it works. That's good enough. And then I'm gonna like kind of flatten the bottom of it, like, just kind of flatten it anyway. So there we go, there's like that sort of thing. And then, sorry, I'm like poking you. There's the base. I don't think I even need this other stick, because since it's gonna be like weighted more at the bottom, then it's like, yeah. So there's that. Now I have the base, and now I can stand up. Hopefully that'll make it easier for when I'm putting the leaves on. The leaves are not quite dry yet, so I don't know if it's working, but we'll have to see. Okay, so they're finally done drying. I think it did work. Like, it doesn't feel like they're gonna crumble as much, and they sort of look like plastic. I don't know, like they're bendy and stuff too. I don't know, but it did work. So I'm probably just gonna put these on first, and then if I feel like I need more, then I can do the rest of them, because I kind of have a lot more. But yeah. And on some of them, then the like paper towel that I set it on got stuck to it. So if you do the same thing with Mod Podge, like I used, then you might want a different surface underneath it for it to dry so that it doesn't get stuck. But yeah, so now I'm probably gonna put these ones on my tree here. And I did put dirt on top of the clay for the base to make it look more like dirt, but yeah. So yeah, so then I'll just put these leaves on there first, and then I'll see what I want to do next. I need to add any more leaves because I kind of like how it looks, how it's like mostly bare, you know. And then I kind of just put like extra leaves at the bottom, so yeah, because then it's like they just like fell. So I think I have like 9 leaves up here. Yeah, I have 9 leaves on the tree. And I was expecting that I would have 24 on there, so that's a big difference. Bye! I hope you liked the video and I hope you like the craft. See you next time.